So hey guys, it's me, Toys and More here, and today we're going to be doing a review on this really cool Bob the Builder chainsawing toy. It has a chainsaw right here, and as you can see, it looks like he has a winter coat on. I'm not sure if it's winter or not, but it looks a lot like it in my opinion. And he got his safety glasses on, so he protects himself. And this is his hard hat right here. And also this is this thing you pull on. You can move this too to make him talk.
Can't wait, trim it. Can't wait, trim it. Timber. Measure twice, cut once.
Okay, that's all we got to review for this toy today. It was made by Play School. Sorry about that. But anyways, this toy was made in 2002 by a company called Hasbro or Play School. Yeah, I think I'm not sure if they're the same company or not, but they're very similar. That's all we got for this review today. Please subscribe to this channel for more content.